In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google AI Studio app. If you're looking for a traditional desktop installer for Google AI Studio, it's important to know that Google currently does not provide it as a standard downloadable program like an .exe file for Windows or a .dmg file for Mac. Instead, the easiest way to use it like an app is by installing it as a progressive web app, also known as a PWA, directly through your web browser. What this does is create a dedicated app-style version of Google AI Studio on your computer. Once installed, you'll get a desktop icon and a standalone window experience, so you can open it more like a regular application without the usual browser tabs and toolbar getting in the way. For most people, this is the closest equivalent to downloading the Google AI Studio app. To do this, start by opening Google AI Studio in a supported browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once the site is fully loaded, look near the address bar for an install icon. Depending on your browser, this may look like a small computer screen, a plus symbol, or an option that says Install App. Click that Install option, and then confirm the installation when prompted. After a moment, the app version of Google AI Studio will be added to your computer. You may also see it appear in your Start menu, Applications folder, taskbar, or desktop depending on your device and browser settings. Once it's installed, you can launch Google AI Studio directly from that new icon, which gives you a cleaner and more dedicated workspace. If you plan to use it often, it can also be helpful to pin it to your taskbar or dock for quicker access. So while there isn't a traditional installer available, installing the PWA is the official and most convenient way to download and use Google AI Studio like an application on your computer.